I'm Stan Hitchens, and this is another episode of Things You Didn't Know. Today we're standing in front of the abandoned BROOKSBRAE brick factory in Pasadena, New Jersey. The BROOKSBRAE brick factory is a site filled with local legend, folklore, mystery, and history, and many people are very curious about the things and events that took place here. The BROOKSBRAE Brick Company was incorporated on March 24, 1906. State records indicate that it was still in existence as of December 1911. There is an urban legend about a man by the name of Gildo Plaziano, who was alleged to be a watchman at the brick factory. The legend entails that he was reportedly involved in a murder-suicide here. Plaziano supposedly killed a girl named Harriet and then himself. In the census of 1910, it has Gildo listed in state records and shows documented evidence of his residence. The following year, he is not in the census, and the girl may have essentially been his son, Harry, who is believed to have been dead as well. I'm Stan Hitchens, and join us again on our next episode of Things You Didn't Know.